Welcome to the Getting Started with ChatGPT video series. Are you curious about the future of this amazing technology and how it's going to impact your life? Look no further. In this series, we'll take you on a fascinating journey to discover the ins and outs of ChatGPT, the cutting-edge AI language model that's revolutionizing the way we communicate. You'll learn why it's essential to learn about ChatGPT and how it works. We'll even guide you through the steps to install and set up ChatGPT on your device so you can start using it right away. From there, we'll explore the many exciting ways you can use ChatGPT, and we'll dive into its limitations and address concerns people have about its usage. So buckle up and join us on this thrilling adventure as we explore the world of ChatGPT together. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check the next videos in the series to learn more about ChatGPT.